Welcome back to Next Gen AI Lab, where we break all tech limits. Still wasting time and money on video editing? Meet Veed.io, the AI video editor that does it all for free. In less than 2 minutes, I'll show you how to sign up and start creating high-quality videos instantly. Let's dive in. So, you just need to open your browser, type Veed.io, and hit enter. You'll be taken straight to their official website. The interface of Veed is clean and modern. Right away, you'll see the line, "Create pro-level videos in the blink of an AI." Veed brings together everything you need in one place, from video editing, AI avatars, and recording to subtitles and a built-in stock library. Simply put, it's an AI-powered video creation platform that's fast, convenient, and easy for anyone to use. Now all you need to do is select the Get Started Free option. A pop-up window will appear. You can sign up with a variety of accounts. Here, you will see that you can quickly sign up with your Gmail account, Apple account, or even Microsoft account. At this step, I'm going to sign in with Gmail. I just need to click Sign up with Google, then choose the account I want to use. Veed will log me in automatically. It's super quick and convenient. So, once you're ready to get started, Veed will ask for a few quick details, like your name and whether you're using it for personal or work purposes. Just go through the setup steps, pick the options that fit you best, and you're good to go. And that's it. You're in. Super quick, super easy. After logging in, this is the main interface of Veed. On the left, you've got the menu bar, giving you quick access to home, templates, brand kits, and asset library. At the center is the AI Hub, where Veed brings together all its most powerful AI tools: Gen AI Studio, AI Playground, Script Generator, AI Clips, Dubbing, Slides to Video, Image Generator, and AI Avatar. At the bottom, you'll find What's New, which keeps you up to date with the latest features. Everything is wrapped in a clean, modern, and incredibly powerful interface. A place where your ideas can turn into videos in just minutes. So yeah, there's a lot you can do with this platform. If you'd like to learn more about how to use Veed.io to create amazing videos easily, just let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to make more step-by-step tutorials for you. And hey, if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Next Gen AI Lab. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.